Hello guys, we took umbrella and there is no sun today. Lovers, young lovers. They put their name.
20 rupees, but for foreigner, you know how much?
How much?
Don't say that.
I don't know, 300,
Just
400,
guess.
500. They want to take picture with you. She speaks Marathi, Begu.
Foreigner आहे पण मराठी येतं.
You clap from here na. See. Ready?
Today is the
First day, second day,
of being in
Hyderabad.
but first day of exploring in Hyderabad. Yesterday we reached, it was so hot and it was late, we were so much tired. It was at night. We just ordered food online and I think Cafe House is nearby.
I think we can
walk.
come.
So now it's the first day we started to go different places in Hyderabad, and the first place we are going is some fort.
Golconda Fort.
What kind of means?
Golconda. I was reading. It's Telugu word Gola Konda. So Gola means people who used to take care of cow and sheep. I think. I'm not sure. I'll check again. So they call in English we say shepherd,
Okay.
and Konda means like hill. So Shepherd's Hill. So in English if we say meaning is Shepherd's Hill. So we'll go. We'll show you everything. When I was here in Hyderabad for my classes, I was preparing
1
for
year you were here, no?
6 or 7 months. I was preparing for Indian Engineering Service exam. So nearly 6 months I was here. So that time also I went to this Golconda Fort with my friends, but I don't remember that much now. So nearly I think 5 years ago.
Okay.
So we'll go. We'll see.
We'll go, we'll
But
show
weather
you.
is so hot.
But
So
it's better than Chhattisgarh.
see what we took.
Umbrella.
Umbrella also we took.
But it's better than
It's better than Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh
Chhattisgarh was so hot.
So crazy. So hot. So chalo guys.
चलो guys, we'll show you everything. कोई तेलुगु सॉन्ग प्ले करो ना भैया.
तेलुगु सॉन्ग है?
हाँ
तेलुगु सॉन्ग?
हाँ तेलुगु सॉन्ग प्ले करो एक. आपका फेवरेट एक्टर कौन सा है तेलुगु में?
प्रभास.
प्रभास है. ओके. बाहुबली मूवी saw ना पिटल बाहुबली.
हाँ.
That Prabhas is from here only, na?
Oh, okay.
So now I ask, which is your favorite actor? He said Prabhas.
Prabhas is that guy, na?
That young guy.
You know आया शेर सॉन्ग?
क्या?
आया शेर सॉन्ग तेलुगु सॉन्ग है.
नहीं मैं बाहुबली के पता है सॉन्ग मुझे. प्ले करो आप, जो अच्छा है वो प्ले करो, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है. गाइस हमारे भैया जी ने एक गाना एक सॉन्ग प्ले किया है, तेलुगु सॉन्ग. फेवरेट सॉन्ग है उनका. Understanding?
I feel I heard something.
So guys, we came here Golconda Fort. It's so big. I think upside we have to go see. Hey, birds.
Oh.
Very.
And Bhagwan was saying to me that more than 500 years ago they made this.
Golconda Fort. You want to buy anything, Bitul? Gun you want to buy? Weather became good.
Yeah.
It's 2:30 guys. And we were thinking it will be so hot. But weather is good. Ice Gola. Here only best.
कितना है भैया ये?
70 rupees.
There how much you
150 rupees we bought.
Oh my god.
Same wood. It was like same.
Same wood.
Are-
the same design. we
Or,
bought.
very. I am saying, but before going, let's drink if you want to drink something.
Let me see what they have.
We came here, we are drinking lemon soda. Golconda Fort, near Golconda Fort.
So we were asking if water is not purified, I have water with this one. Make lemon soda. But he said, no, water is purified, don't worry. So I thought weather also is hot now, but We are lucky because sun is gone.
Really, we are so lucky.
Really.
Ah.
Sun is gone because if sun is not there, even if it's hot, you can manage.
And see, Buddha took umbrella. And there is no sun today.
But here weather is more clean than Pune.
More clean than Pune.
Pune is so hot.
Pune is so hot also and so polluted also.
Means sky is blue. Also foreigners also are there.
Are where? Are see, there foreigners are walking. You are also foreigner, Vital. Vita, how was your first impression of Hyderabad?
I thought it will be so much hot because Bhagwan was saying to me he is so hot.
No, temperature was saying 40, 41
Let me
degrees
say one
Celsius.
thing also.
Ah.
If it was me at starting, I would be like dead here because I was not used to heat that time. But now after being in India for 3 to 4 years, I think my body got adjusted and I'm not feeling so much hot.
Also because of Chhattisgarh also. Chhattisgarh, we were there like 41, 42 degrees
God.
Celsius and it was so hot.
So hot.
So here is better as compared to Chhattisgarh.
Much better.
So much better. I think after 2 years I am drinking lemon soda. You were not allowing me to drink lemon soda.
I also didn't drink. I think at starting when I came to meet you, that time I drank. So I like so much.
It's good? It's good. नहीं भाई अंदर लेके जाओगे अंदर हाँ? नहीं अभी हम आए हैं घूमेंगे बाद में ओके ओके व्हाट यू आर सेइंग विटुल
मी म्हणलं की मी आता मराठी येते भगवान म्हणलं की भगवान was saying don't speak in English. I said आता मी मराठी येते कोणीच नाही अंडरस्टँड करते की मी फॉरेनर आहे या नाही.
No, no, thank you. Came here, they are saying कि mobile stand is not allowed inside, and I searched on internet. Really, it's not allowed. Mobile stand or camera stand, tripod. So दीदी को बोला कि रखने को, तो उनने रखने को दिया. Thank you दीदी, धन्यवाद. भैया thank you, धन्यवाद. चलो.
So now we are going to take our ticket.
Tickets.
They told us okay, you can keep it here.
हाँ.
So I don't know why I took umbrella.
Umbrella. Beta took umbrella. There is no sun today. See, it's cloudy.
And weather is so much better than Pune.
It's so much better
I really
than.
think we should go from Pune.
Really?
Because in Pune, first of all, I am getting so many pimples because of weather is so bad, and I have so much dust issue also.
Okay.
You have seen, I get sneezing.
Sneezing.
Like this,
Arre.
his nose running. Good. Yeah. We just got our ticket online. I mean by
Online
scanning.
is so good.
So
Really?
let me say one thing. No, now okay, no one can understand
But
because
you
I can.
have driving
I can
license,
speak
PAN
Marathi
card.
also little bit.
Arre.
So it's not like that. English also I know. Other than that, what I want to say, I just saw that for Indian people it's
20 rupees.
20 rupees. But for foreigner, you know how much?
How much?
Don't say that.
I don't know. 300,
just
400,
guess.
500 rupees.
300.
Arre. But you have PAN card,
Miss, how
driving
many times?
license.
I think now okay for
Now
me it's
it's
not
okay.
possible. But I'm just saying it's like so much difference. 20 rupees, 300 rupees.
Arre.
So see how much we are ahead. Let's go. We got our tickets and now we are going.
Guys, he's saying कि this design is Persian design and it looks so similar to Persepolis. We went to Shiraz. It's so similar. See this design.
When we came,
Huh.
I was thinking ki it's so similar to Persepolis. I was just thinking by myself. Then I remembered ki, okay, maybe India also has similar designs. Then I didn't say to you. Then he said ki this is like nakashi, means like painting Persian design. I was like, my God. That's why I'm saying ki we have so much deep connection, Iran and India.
Here they are saying if you clap na, your clap noise will go to the like security houses of king. Here. So here if you clap, I was ready. Now he will say same thing. I was telling him when you clap from here na, see, you clap, you can clap. See.
That side no improvement.
Here is not that much vibration. You cannot understand. And from there you can. I don't know. This side we have to go. See, so beautiful. Very. Take me on him. Beta, it's not that hot. Beta. Oh, it's kharab from this side. No, run the way. Okay, let's go. He's not leaving.
I think sun will do more.
It is kharab here. This side is kharab. Ara.
No problem.
Ara. That guy was not leaving us.
He was like, idhar aa jao, idhar.
I was thinking, I know because I was reading this clap thing. I was reading. When you clap.
See, some places it's so important to take guide, like police event.
Ara.
Because by watching you will not understand anything. But this type of places, by searches, so anyone can understand.
No, nowadays we have everything.
No, still, if you go like Persepolis, whatever is mentioned on tableaus is not enough to know. Because so many things got damaged. But here, by watching, I think we can understand.
Okay. She's speaking Marathi, Begu.
Maharashtrian आहे का? मी foreigner आहे पण मराठी येतं. माझा husband महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे.
Bita, you're not scared?
You saw my Marathi?
Arey, so good. Bita is like,
She said, अरे ऐक ना. Then I understood, okay, she's Maharashtrian. I wanted to say, one video we recorded.
खाऊ
अरे
झाला,
ऐक
बस
ना.
झाला.
ना ना, अरे ऐक ना. मी जरा 2-3 तासासाठी बाहेर जाऊन येते. तुला काय पाहिजे काय? I think there's so many out there.
I think I am scared. Arey. Bita, wait. Guys, Batman is there inside. Batman. Really, I'm saying. Bita, you know karate na? Can you go?
There's no use of karate here. They'll come and they'll jump on your everywhere.
So,
Hi.
Hello, guys.
So see who we found. What was your name?
Jonas.
He's from Germany and he's also exploring in Hyderabad first time, right?
First time.
And we are also exploring here for the first time.
How it was? You like Hyderabad?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Can recommend.
So he's from Germany and she's from Iran. So a lot of Iranian people also are in Germany, if you know. A lot of Iranian people also are there. And in Iran also, one place there, Hormuz, we were traveling there. There also we saw one German couple.
Yeah.
And today also we are traveling
We
in
called them
Hyderabad.
in our home.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
So it was nice to meet.
The German people are not that much warm, but I found you so much warm. Yeah. I'm foreigner, but हर शाम आँखों पर तेरा चेहराए हर रात यादों की बारात आए.
What you saw?
I saw what was pilot?
Tutti.
Pilot?
Parrot.
Parrot. What am I saying? Pilot? Pilot
In
and
Farsi, parrot is
mixed.
tutti.
Yeah, tutti.
I think tooth.
Tooth is fruit.
No, tutti I think somewhere I heard. In Hindi or Urdu, I don't know.
Is it?
Arre.
What is this people put their name here? This is so bad. Means this is not good.
Arre.
Manisha. Manisha.
Lovers, young lovers.
Oof.
They put their name.
Ash, Sanju, things.
Let's go to
Avina.
Bita.
Huh?
Whole day you have to sit here to read all names. Very.
Oh my god, why they make like this?
People are nonsense. They do anything. Bhagwana. Someone wrote Bhagwana.
Bhagwana? Like that in Bhagwana?
I don't know.
Is there? Please
No,
say.
not Bhagwana.
Amrit Bhagwana.
No. Where is W?
Bhagwana. Bahagana.
Maybe. Or maybe Punjabi surname has Bhagana, maybe something like this.
Amrit Bahagana. Amrit. Amrit. What song was there? Amrit.
Amrit?
No. I don't remember now. So we just found this place.
We are going to Darbar Hall on the way.
On the way, this guy was explaining to us. He was security of here.
Security guard.
And he was saying here some woman used to be like
Bodyguard of people. Not people, woman. Only for women.
That time also transgenders used to be there. And they were also a part of society.
And now is how many problems are
so
there in
much
society?
abuse is there for them.
Or,
We need to educate ourselves so much regarding so many things.
it's like we are going backward. In technology, we are going
regarding
forward.
hygiene, regarding our beliefs and thoughts, our respect to every human being, woman, man, regarding what I'm saying. To judge people based on their
job or religion or caste.
Or color.
Color also.
What are you doing? Oh my god.
Dota hospital. Here also is there.
Is it? What?
There also is there.
Where?
There. They are watching something.
What is
Hello.
that? Let me see them. Oh, you want to take a picture?
Huh?
इनको एक लियो इनके साथ फोटो लेंगे
Oh, with you they want to take picture.
ले लो आप ले लो गोद में ले लो
She's saying taking your hand. They want to take picture with you.
ऐसा चल ले ले
Hamzu.
ए हमजा
Hamzu.
ए इधर देखो
Hamza.
हमजा
He got confused. Dota booth.